Hello everyone, let's learn how to make this eggless chocolate banana oats muffin today. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Smash 2 bananas. Add 3/4 cup of sugar. I have taken brown sugar here. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 3 teaspoon of butter. I have taken salted butter. Add 2 teaspoon of peanut butter. Add a half cup of curd. Add 2 teaspoon of condensed milk. Mix everything properly. Condensed milk can also be skipped. Now dry roast 2 cups of oats. Grind it in a mixture. Add the oats to the cake mixture now. Again mix everything properly. Take 4 teaspoon of wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of chocolate powder. Mix everything well to the mixture. Add milk slowly and cut and fold the mixture. Take some nuts, grind it and add it to the mixture. Mix everything properly. Keep it little thick. If the mixture is thin, add some wheat flour. If it is thick, then add some milk. It should be in a pouring consistency. Grease the muffin tray with some oil or butter. Now add the cake mixture using the ice cream scoop or any spoon. Just half fill the muffin trays. Add few choco chips on the top. Bake the muffins at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Can be done in the microwave at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check with the skewer, it should come out clean. Now let it rest in the oven for another 5 minutes. Remove it from the oven and let it cool down for 30 minutes. So now our healthy and delicious oats muffins are ready.